Morning guys, Happy New Year. Today we're doing a gutter cleaning and a pressure washing in this residence. See my Rob is already there cleaning the gutters on the side of the pool. To me, and we are going to just counting these windows, and they have lots of windows in this house. And this is a friend's neighbor of my client, and recommended me to them, and then they happily agree about it. That's it guys, what we're doing today. And how is your business been going? Hope you guys have a great New Year's and prosperous this is your year, and hopefully that your business been booming and make you more clients coming for you guys. And as for me, just keep doing what we're doing, and just provide services to people, think about what they need, not think about the money, because the money is, well, think about the money, then that's what you get. When you think about the clients and what they need, prospers more coming to you. So that's my advice. You guys have a happy new year. Talk to you guys later.